explain you project number 31, that is match the color. So these are instructions. So in the project, designing part is already given for us. We have to just code it. And in coding, we have to make a application that if we will move these sliders, this label, you can see this label color will be, background color should be changed in different colors, and whichever background color will be, that same color text also will be. Guess my color. So here we will click on start project, and now we will click on view code, and now we will click on remix. In designing part, you can see all the designing parts and given for us. So this is sliders, and these are labels. So only this much designing is done. And for coding also, for us coding also given, but this half coding only. 225. Okay, so now we have to take on event, and ID will be button 1. On event button 1 click. I will take set property, and here we will select text color. Then we will take RGB, and after that we will take get number, and here we will select blue slider. Then again we will take RGB, red, green, blue, and then again we will take get number. Okay, so I don't have to take RGB, I have to only take get number. Get number ID will be green slider, and then again I will take get number. After green slider, I will select here red slider. Yes. Then again I will take on event, and here the ID will be red slider. Then again I will take set property 2 times, because I need here 2 times set property, and here both times we have to take button 1 ID, and it will not width. I will change this width to background color. So why we will take both times is because we have to change background color also and text color also. So first of all we have to take for background color and then for text color, and here we will select text color, and then I have to take RGB because we have to take random colors. So for that's why in computer language we will take RGB, red, green, blue. Then I will take get number. Here ID I will select blue slider. Then again I will take get number. Here I will select green slider. Then again I will take get number, and here I will select red slider. And these, how much set property we will take? All numbers will be 0.5, last numbers will be. Then here we have done with red slider. Now we will again take on event, and here I will select blue slider. Then I will take set property 2 times again here, and here I will select ID button 1, and here also button 1. and here I will select background color and here text color. Okay, and before that I will work on this text color. So for that I have to take RGB, and after that I have to take get number. Here I will select blue slider, then again I will take get number. Here I will select green slider, again I will take get number. Here I will select red slider. Okay, so I have to delete it because I have to take RGB here. Yes, and now again I will take get number. ID will be blue slider, again I will take get number. ID will be green slider, again I will take get number. ID will be red slider. Yes, and now again I will take RGB, then I will take get number, blue slider, then again I will take get number, green slider, and again I will take get number, red slider. And now red slider, blue slider, again I will take on event. Here I will select green slider, then I will take set property 2 times. Okay, and before that I will take again RGB here, and I will take get number. ID will be blue slider, again I will take get number. ID will be green slider, again I will take get number. ID will be red slider and 0.5, and here ID will be button 1, here also button 1, and here background color, and here text color. And now I will take RGB here and here, then I will take get number. Here ID will be blue slider, again I will take get number. ID will be green slider, again I will take get number. ID will be red slider, then again I will take get number. ID will be blue slider, again I will take get number. ID will be green slider, again I will take get number. ID will be red slider. So here we worked on green slider. So here our coding part is done. Now we will just run and check. I will move the slider here. Yes, the background and text color are changing, and background color is also same and text color is also same according to background color. Yes, it's working fine. Okay, I will reset it and I will rename it project 31. project 31, and I will click on save, and I will click on share button, and I will copy this link, and here I will paste link, and I will click on submit button. So here my project will be submitted. And to see our project, what we have done, I will just click on last submitted or open link, so we can see what we have done. So this project, all projects we have to do, एक second. So here all projects we have to do, but here help is given according to the instructions. We have to do the project. These are instructions, so it will help to do our project easily. So our project is done. This project is very easy. So bye guys.